Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wix to create your very own portfolio website. Even if you're a beginner with no prior experience, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking site ready to showcase your work. Let's get started. First, head over to the Wix website. Click on Get Started to create your account. You can sign up with an email or quickly continue with Facebook, Google, or Apple. If you already have an account, just log in as usual. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the My Sites homepage. To start building your portfolio, click on Create New Site. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of website you want. Select Other and then click Choose a Template. This is where the fun begins. Wix offers a wide range of templates designed for portfolios. To find the right one, type Portfolio into the search bar in the top right corner. Browse through the options and pick a template that fits your style and needs. Remember, once you choose a template, you can't switch it for the same site later, so take your time. When you've found one you like, click View to preview it. If it looks good, click Edit. This will open the Wix editor, where you can start customizing your site. In the editor, you'll see your chosen template ready for customization. Start by personalizing the homepage. Click on any text element to edit it. Replace the placeholder name with your own and update the description to reflect what you do. For example, if the template says some other profession and you're a graphic designer, change it to graphic designer. Next, update the image in the background. Click on the background image, then click Change Column Background. You can upload your own photo or choose one from Wix's media library. Make sure the image represents you or your work. Once the homepage is set, scroll down to the About Me section. Edit the text to share a short description about yourself and what you offer. Keep it concise and professional. Now, let's customize the portfolio section. If your template includes a gallery for photos or videos, click on it and select Manage Media. Upload your best work to showcase your skills. For videos, click Manage Videos, then upload your clips. For photos, click Add Media to replace the existing images with your own. The Contact section is essential for letting visitors reach you. Edit the text to include your name, email address, and phone number. If you work with a manager or agent, include their details as well. Next, let's set up your resume page. Navigate to the Menus and Pages section on the left. Locate the Resume or Bio page and click on it to edit. Update the details like your name, birth year, height, or any other placeholders in the template. You can upload a downloadable resume file by adding a button and linking it to your file. When everything is ready, click Preview to see how your site looks. If you're happy with it, click Publish in the top right corner. Your site is now live. Wix will assign a free domain, which will look something like username.wixsite.com/sitename. If you want a custom domain like yourname.com, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. And that's it. You now have a fully customized portfolio website using Wix. Whether you're showcasing your art, videos, or professional experience, this site is a great way to present yourself to clients or employers. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.